Hey, dumelang bagaetsho, dumelang go teng motho se se khomba, and I'll be taking you guys through on how to edit on how to interlink the two articles, that's Setswana and English version that we have translated, right? Let's say o setse o tswa go ranola tsebe ya Buti Falls, and then mongwe o setse a sa tswa go e ranola but a ise ko Setswaneng, so e teng ka Setswana, but when you come here you will find that ga e tlhagelle mme ebile e bua gore it does not exist in Setswana, it's missing, right? So, but when you check right here, this is the very same article ya Setswana. E ranotswe e kodile ka Setswana, e setse e le teng, but le yone ke e kodileng ka Setswana. Ga ise e supe gore go na le ditemetipe tse di kodilweng ka yone tsebe. So, for us to correct that, go na le gona go these 10 languages, o dirise yone section ya you click the drop down. When you click the drop down, go bohelelong go tlase go na le go teng add languages, right? O clicka gone go wa go dirisa section yana mme ke ya le go godimo ga teng edit interlanguage links. This is where you go, you click that, and then it will open you this platform called this is Wikidata. So this is an item about Buti Falls. So it's an item about Buti Falls on Wikidata. So when I was analyzing Wikipedia, or how Wikipedia, then you click edit. When you click edit, it will a blank tab go tlase kwana go na le a blank tab. You click mo teng ga tab eo, put your cursor and click, and then simply type Setswana. Setswana should appear go tlase, and then click it. And then on the other side, our page, that's where you type the title of the page in Setswana. So you can simply go back to your Setswana article and copy the title, then go back to that section, go edit that thing, then paste. How paste just like that, and make sure that you publish as so or that information. That's how you link, and then you publish, and then we go back to where we were. So now that we have interlinked our articles, let us refresh. So before we refresh, let me show you. You can see that it's still saying it's missing in Setswana, but now let's refresh and see what it's going to give you. It should say now 11 languages. As you can see, now there are 11, and Setswana is one of them. So here's Setswana, and then when you go back to the Setswana article, Leone, because it's been interlinked, before you refresh, as you can see, it still says there's no languages here, but then when you go back and refresh, it should now give all the languages in which the article is available upon. So English language being one of them. So thank you so much, guys. I advise you to go back and make sure that you interlink your articles. Thank you.